Hey, meet Valerie. How many of you can relate to this? Feeling overwhelmed and not really sure what direction to take.
Valerie has been trying to manifest a new job for more money for her family, but she's plagued by indecisiveness and the inability to make a decision.
But this is what Valerie and every other woman is wanting out there, a straight road right to the end to their manifestation. As manifestation coaches, a reoccurring theme that we keep encountering is that people want to feel confident in their decision-making process towards their manifestation. Cultivating a strong intuition provides the stability needed to make optimal decisions during the manifestation process. Please share in the comments below on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 indicating strong, where you are with your intuition.
In this video, we're going to cover 3 key points. How do you determine if your manifestations are on the right path? Number 2, understanding the key differences between intuition and instincts. Number 3, practical methods to strengthen your intuitive abilities.
How do you know if you are on the right track with your manifestation?
Your intuition is important to your manifestations because it's like a compass that guides you in the direction of what it is you're wanting to manifest.
Sometimes the universe does not hand you your manifestation on a silver platter. I know.
Completely sad.
Sometimes you have to follow your intuition in order to get your manifestation. Your intuition is how the universe talks to you. It is your guidance from the other side. Your thoughts and your ideas are not always your own. Sometimes they come from your team. So that is why it's so important to be connected with your intuition. This helps you determine if you are taking unnecessary steps that do not lead you directly to your manifestation.
We created a video all about universal energy, and the link is here. Check it out, and it explains who is in the universe and who your team is. Your intuition is different from your instincts. For example, my daughter, Brooklyn, we were having dinner at my son's apartment one night, and she was down parked in the parkade, and she just had this feeling after dinner. She's like, I don't feel like going down to the parkade. Something is making me feel like I shouldn't go down there. And I said to her, well, don't go down. Like, if you don't want to leave, don't leave. She's like, well, yeah, I don't want to go. So I'm like, well, stay with your mom. Let's watch a movie. So she did. The next morning, we get up, we go down to the parkade, windows smashed out of her car, everything stolen out, backpacks, computers, completely gone. And so that was her intuition telling her, do not go down in that parkade. That was her team, her guides on the other side. What would have happened if she had ignored her intuition, went downstairs at that exact time? I'm thinking she would have uncovered or came across the people breaking into her car, and it probably would have been a very more difficult, traumatic situation than what it actually transpired.
If any of you have experienced your intuition on that level before, please let us know in the comments and like and subscribe to this video.
Your instincts are felt on a cellular level throughout your whole body. This is your fight or flight. Your intuition is usually felt in your gut first. It is a thought, a feeling, or a sense of something.
We are going to get a little nerdy here on you guys and give you some stats. 73% believe in manifesting, aka through law of attraction, but only 10% actually get results. 25% of people who try law of attraction techniques report some success.
When you strengthen your intuition to connect to the universal energy while utilizing the law of attraction, it brings your manifestation straight to you.
After all, this is what everyone wants, a road straight right to your manifestations. However, none of this is possible if you do not strengthen your intuition and then take that inspired action towards your manifestations.
If you're interested in strengthening your intuition, we've created a free download. This includes 10 exercises to strengthen your intuition and 6 different ways that you can receive guidance through your intuition and your guides on the other side. The link is in the description.
To keep learning and amping up your manifestations, watch our next video, wherever it is.